support email this morning, and I'd like to show you how to fix the problem. First, I'm going to turn off the surface, and then I'm going to turn on the mesh, and right away you can tell there are some element in a different color right here and right here. I think only 3 places, so all the rest area looks really good. So the first thing we like to fix is move those elements into the same layer instead of spreading into 3 different parts. If I go up here, you can tell we have the shell 1, which is the default one, and these probably created by the user when they create a new element and patch up some failed element. So to do that, we can go to element tool. Right here there's a move or copy. So obviously we want to move, so it's move to where? We can say, okay, target part, just pick, so which is the red part, part 1, or you can pick by part list. Right here we got 3 parts here. Then we can just say all the active element, all these elements goes to part 1. Apply. Now they are in part 1. But the next, I'm going to go to element and then show free edges. We can tell they are some free edges right next to those elements that we have moved to the other layer. This one, obviously you can tell this node's kind of not disconnected from other neighboring element. We can simply go to split. We're splitting one big element into 2, so I'm going to use this one, this option, and pick. The program normally can find which direction to split the element. It look for the long side and then split it. One more here, apply. As you can tell, the edge didn't disappear because the element, the nodes kind of a little bit mismatched here, and that we can just move to element. So element tool, element edit. Right here we can say replace. I'm going to use this option. It says many, replace many, and then area, grab this. It's only 2 elements there, so replace. Now they're 1 element. One more here, replace, accept. Once accept, you can tell the edge is gone. If 2 nodes are pretty close to each other, you don't have to use replace. You can use this duplicate nodes. They can find them and then merge them. But this case, it's a little bit too far away for the duplicate. Same thing here. So I'm going to go back to element, split, right here. Still using this option. Click, click, apply, accept. We do have one more triangle need to be split. I'm going to go back to element editing, split, and then this one I'm going to use this option. That's not very good, so I'm going to reject that. See if I can use a different option. This one should work. Try one more time. Yep, this works. Accept. Okay, again they're quite far away from each other. Now we need to be careful when we merge them, use many. We don't want to pick every node from the other side of the model, so I'm going to go this angle. Okay, then replace many, area, these 2, replace, these 2, replace, accept. Done. So one last one. The last one is a little bit tricky. We can tell it's really caused by this there's a little element here, but this big one go across too far, and you can tell the gap here. So for this one, I'm going to go to element, delete element, delete. I'm going to delete this element. Obviously this is a bad one, and I'm going to delete this one. Delete. Okay. Then I'm going to merge all these 3 nodes together and then create the 3 triangles to patch it up. So to do that, I'm going to go back to node, replace many, and use this area option. Grab all 3 of them, replace. So the option is replace at the center of those 3 nodes. Accept. Done. Then I go to element, back to element. Now I'm going to go create. Now the create to which layer? See, this is 4. That's another new part. I'm going to say no, don't get a new layer. I'm going to just go to the 1, shell 1. And they all triangles, so I'm going to create triangle only. And 1, 2, 3. Accept. 1, 2, 3. Accept. 1, 2, 3. Accept. Done. Alright. Now one more thing we have to do is check the normal, because when you repair element you might mess up normal. So I go normal. Look, see here the color? Look at the other side. Red here, green here, which means those elements are pointing inward and those red elements are pointing outward. We have to make them consistent. So to do that, we can use this function. Align to this seed element. I'm going to say pick a seed element. I'm going to pick one of the red element. And notice the collector only have 1 seed node. You cannot have too many seed nodes because the program going to look for all the neighboring elements and reorientate them. If you select a lot of seed nodes, it's going to look for every seed element and do the search all over again and again. That will take a long time. So good. We pick 1 seed element and then we say auto reverse. Look, they're all orientated outward now. You can see there's no red color from the inside. It's all consistent. Done. Now this is fixed. So we can go to metal forming, 1-step simulation, and then the part already picked. And then we can pick the material. Keep in mind, material for 1 step can only be material 37 or 24. Material 36 will not work. Alright, so then we can write it out. Save the keyword. Part not defined. Pick. Okay, save keyword. Run. Then this is the job submitter. Is submit to the I think it's this one. Then we can make sure this is double precision solver, and then run. So the job is successfully submitted. We should get the result very quickly. And these are the conversion indicators: displacement norm and energy norm. You can tell the number is going down quickly. Okay, finished. Now we can go to result, open. That's our unfolded black. Alright, see you next time.